As we sprint towards Stugan's halfway point, what better time to run you through everything that's happened in the last week? Although, actually, saying that, we never told you about the week before, did we? Well then, in the interests of equality, let's take a speedy trip back in time to the wide-eyed innocence of Week 2. Week 2 saw visits from 3 mentors. First up, the general manager of DICE, Carl Magnus Trutzen, sat down individually with our developers to see how his experiences developing hits like Battlefield and Medal of Honor could help their games. Next, King's former director of product and startup entrepreneur Alexander Ekwall shared his insights in one-on-one sessions. Then Rovio's general manager and Stugan co-founder Oscar Berman also stopped by to see the games for himself. But developers can't code and work without proper fuel, and in the blazing sunshine we broke out the barbecue, which was just as well, because Robin was so hungry he was ready to eat a camera. All in the name of stop motion video, of course, which the whole of Stugan came together to film. Winding back to present day, and this week Erin Robinson-Swink stopped by on Skype for a group session to share her experiences as an indie developer creating Gravity Ghost. Meanwhile, Per Stromberg also came to the cabin, where he gave 2 presentations charting the growth of the Swedish games industry and the opportunities it offers ambitious developers. And the team behind Planetoid Pioneer's Data Realms were finally joined by Miro Adamus, who'll be programming their 2D side-scroller. There was also a massive game of hide-and-seek, jogging sessions through the woods, and it poured with rain, so we locked our developers indoors to work. But we have footage of none of this, because we're rubbish. Oh, here are some bubbles. Check out those bubbles. What great bubbles. So that was our updates for week 2 and 3. We're going to be releasing these every Sunday, running through everything that's happened in the last week. Hopefully with even more bubbles. We'll see you next week.